Hi YouTubers, today I'm posting a video on how to make eco-friendly liquid hand soap. Check out our website www.ageenambo.com and follow us on Facebook. The ingredients for today are 4 natural soap bars, 3 litres of distilled water. First you boil the water and grate the soap bars. So while you're grating the soap, your water should have been boiled. Then you add the grated soap bars to the boiling water. At this point, I like to add a little bit of olive oil. It's really good for your skin. Now you just keep stirring the mixture until all the soap is dissolved into the boiling water. Just got to keep checking to make sure that it's all dissolved. So then you turn the heat off and let it cool in the saucepan for a while before you pour it into a container and let it cool overnight. So when you come back to it the next day, it should be nice and cool and set. Mine was actually a little bit too thick to put into my storage containers, so I had to blend it a little bit to make it a bit smoother. And I just did that in a blender. I put the liquid soap then into storage containers. I just used soft drink bottles that I'd washed out, and they're really great for storing liquid soap in because they're nice and airtight. I buy my natural soap bars from my local natural food store for 5 soap bars for $4. So from this batch of 4 soap bars, I made about 4 litres of liquid hand soap, which works out to be really good value for money. And this hand soap's actually in concentrate form, so when I put it in the soap dispenser, I actually fill it with water and give it a shake and mix it up, and then this batch actually has lasted me for about 2 years, and it keeps really well, gets rid of germs and dirt off your hands. It's really great. So I hope you like the video. Press like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.